Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying essentials. The branch is correct, CI is green, and you have a changelog entry. Next, create an annotated tag locally with a clear semantic version and push it so GitHub can reference the exact commit. Once done, you can immediately draft a release on the website using that tag, or let the push tag auto-generate a draft. Make sure to choose the proper target commit and mark pre-release if it's not production ready. This avoids accidental consumption by automated deployments. You now craft the release body, summarize key improvements, list breaking changes, and include exact upgrade steps so users know how to move forward. Link PRs and issues for traceability and add any generated assets like binaries or installers with checksums attached. If this release triggers CI or package publishing, verify tags and release names match automation rules. Once done, review the diff and validate that examples, CLI flags, and minimum requirements are documented clearly to prevent downstream confusion. You finish by publishing the release and watching CI pipelines and package registries for successful artifact publication. Once published, update project docs and version references, then notify stakeholders through your normal channels so consumers can upgrade. Make sure to test install paths or package downloads immediately to confirm integrity. If something goes wrong, missing assets or mismatched checksums, first check whether tags were pushed and CI produced artifacts. Then
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.